What if I told you that today's farms are smarter than many factories?
The United States and China are racing to build the world's smartest farms. In America, GPS-guided tractors can work with incredible precision, even without a driver. Drones monitor crop health, spray fertilizer, and help farmers save both time and money. It's a powerful harvesters can harvest acres of crops in just a few hours. China is taking farming to the next level with AI-powered greenhouses and robotic harvesting. The smart drone swarms can spray entire farms quickly and efficiently. Some farms even use artificial intelligence to monitor animal health automatically. America focuses on giant machines, while China leads with automation and artificial intelligence. Modern farming technology reduces waste, saves water, and produces healthier crops.